How to find out the country of origin of an Instagram account. If any day you are an Instagram user, you may know that there are many kind of people there in Instagram which are from various kind of countries. And sometimes if you'd like to know that what is the origin of the exact user of the Instagram account there, and it's very interesting and useful to find it as well. So if any day you would like to find about it, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can find that and then tap on the Instagram application like this. After you tap on Instagram application, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. Now, I have launched my Instagram here. You can also go to any of the random Instagram account there or any of the Instagram account that you would like to know what is the origin of. Now, after you tap on the Instagram account that you would like to know about the origin of, you can see the interface like this. Now, here you can see the three dots on the top side. You have to tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, you can see an interface here. Now, you have to tap on the option of about this account. After tapping on about this account, you can see an interface like this. Now, here's the option of account based in. Now, after you go to the option of account based in, you can know that which is the country of the account. For example, this is written account based in India. That means that the origin of the account, Instagram account, is India. So this is the way on how you can know. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.